Hello and welcome back to the next tutorial in this series. Today I want to set up the camera in its start position. So I'm just going to come up here to this section. I'm going to hover the mouse here and press and hold the left mouse button when I get this icon and just drag it, split the screen in two. And with the mouse hovering over here, I'm going to press 0. And that will snap me into the camera view. I'm just going to press and hold the middle mouse button just to pan this over. As you can see, with the camera selected, it shows you which layer it's on. And we currently have this layer enabled so we can access the camera. I'm going to come over to this view here and press 1 for front view. I'm just going to roll the mouse wheel to zoom in. I'm going to grab the camera and drag it back. And just release that. I'm going to grab it into Y and just drag it down. I'm just going to press and hold the middle mouse button just to rotate. And I'm just going to roll the mouse wheel. I'm going to grab it in the X and just drag it backwards. And I'm going to just release. I'm going to come down here now and press and hold Shift and switch on these layers, and as you can see, we're not affected by the wall in this position. So I'm going to come down to the timeline and just snap this back to the beginning with the control here, and I'm going to come up to here and just press I and select location, rotation, scale, and that pops in. As you can see, this little yellow icon here underneath. Okay, so that's going to be our start position for the camera. I'm going to come down here to current and type in 48. Press enter, and that's approximately 2 seconds into it. I'm going to just roll the mouse wheel to zoom in or to zoom out. I'm going to grab this and drag it forward, and I want camera to be maybe about here, maybe a little bit further on. Okay, to about here. At this time, I'm going to press I to insert a keyframe and left select location, rotation, scale. Okay, now if I come down to the timeline and just press and hold the right mouse button to scrub up and down, I can just drag it back and just drag forward. Okay, that will do me for the moment. Just going to snap this back to the beginning. I'm going to come up here and just press Ctrl S and save that. And that's going to be it for this tutorial. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. See you next time. Goodbye.